Hello, Sundari. Today we're going to be talking about double cleansing versus wipe. How exactly should you be removing your makeup? On this side, I'm going to be using double cleansing method, and on the other side, I'm going to just be using a wipe. A lot of people find wipes to be very convenient to use. I use them too when I'm traveling and I don't really have that much time to take off my makeup. But that being said, wipes are not that really great for your skin as well as the environment. They do end up taking off most of your makeup, but that makeup is only the makeup that's on the top portion of your skin. This is left over time on your skin can lead to a lot of skin issues like pimples. But there's more. I hate how makeup wipes cannot remove eye makeup. You have to tug on your eyes, you have to rub them, and that is not great for such a sensitive area on your face. This is how much makeup I was able to remove just with the wipe. Now, side we're going to use Koqal golden jojoba oil. This is obviously my favorite. It's on sale right now, but you could try any other oil that you have, something that's non-comedogenic. The great thing about using oil before you wash your face is that oil breaks down almost all sorts of makeup. It's not just your eye makeup, it's not just your foundation, it can remove everything. Oil cleansing actually breaks down all of your makeup. It could be waterproof, it could be 24 hours, but that's the thing to love about oil. No makeup holds a candle up to it. Unlike the wipe, the oil actually helps in breaking down both the topmost layer makeup as well as the makeup that's inside your pores, and that's how it really helps in cleaning your skin. You can see the difference in color, like look at that. That's all my makeup completely broken down on top of my skin as compared to the wipe. Now when you're going to use a wipe, all of that makeup is going to come off just in a single swipe. It's way more efficient for your skin as well as your time. You literally have to massage this for what, 2 or 3 minutes, and it just emulsifies, and just wipe it off and then wash your face. Did I mention the eye makeup also comes off really easy and you don't have to tug on your skin? This is the double cleanse and the wipe difference. You can clearly see how clean it is, but just to be doubly sure, you can either wash your face, but what I'm going to do after this is I've applied oil on the other side and I'm removing it with another wipe to see how much product was actually left behind. And oh my god, look at the amount of makeup that was still there on my face just by using wipe one time. This is the reason why you need to oil cleanse before you have to double cleanse, or else most of your makeup is going to stay on your skin, give you really bad texture, give you really bad bumpy skin, as well as a lot of pimples. Can you believe this much makeup was still there on my face because I used a wipe? It's crazy. And just for funsies, I wanted to wipe down my other side that I used an oil cleanse on just to see if there's any makeup left on my face. Guess what? It's not. It's completely clear. Let me know in the comment section if you use a double cleansing method or you're still using wipes. Don't use wipes. I hope this video helped. That's about it. I'm gonna go now. I have to wash my face, which is the last step. And I really hope that this video has helped you. If you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comment section. And definitely follow me on Instagram. That's about it. Bye.